Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of my Honda Magna bobber build. Today we are going to cut away this side of the frame and try to weld in a new one. So let's get to it. It finally fits. I have to grind a little bit more here of the tube to make it look perfect. And yeah, I'm not sure what to do about this side, but I think I'm going to bolt it on, because when there's something wrong with that rear how do you call this, rear structure, then I still can replace it. So I think we leave it like this. I think it's nice. Only drill the holes for the bolt here, and then we are going to weld it on. Okay, that hole is also drilled, so let's get welding it. This cap is a little bit too big, but I think I can pull it down with the pliers. Okay, that's welded. Now I'm going to make a mount for the solo seat with this one. I just put it like this, and then I'm going to mark the points from here to there, make a little cut in it so I can bend this piece of steel to put it on top of the frame, and then my saddle is sitting a little bit level. Okay, I have bended the plate, but I'm thinking that this is way too high. So my guess is that I'm going to cut it right here, I think, and then somewhere around here, and I think that's, yeah, that's going to be nice. So that is it, guys, for part 2. I loosely had put the saddle on the frame, and yeah, I think next time we're going to drill some holes to fasten the saddle, and yeah, going to make a bracket for that box over there, because I want to put all of the cables and yeah, how do you call it, the engine computers inside that box, and then I have to find another place for the battery, and I'm not exactly sure where to put it, but see you next time.